Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is CRISIL's projections for India's economy. Recently, CRISIL revised its economic growth forecast for India in the upcoming financial year, that is financial year 25. The fiscal deficit is expected to be reduced to 5.1% of GDP next fiscal year, leading to a lesser fiscal impulse. However, it anticipates a moderation in growth from the current financial year figure of 7.6% to 6.8% in financial year 25 due to factors such as higher interest rates and reduced fiscal stimulus. Despite expectations of a slight moderation in growth in fiscal 2025, the Indian economy is set to surpass the $5 trillion milestone over the next 7 fiscal years, edging towards the $7 trillion mark. The effects of rate hikes implemented by the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee between May 2022 and February 2023 are expected to persist. CRISIL anticipates an increase in overall capital expenditure by 9 to 11% annually over the next 4 financial years, with investments flowing into both industrial and infrastructure segments. Interestingly, the next 7 fiscals will see the Indian economy crossing the $5 trillion mark and inching closer to $7 trillion. A projected average expansion of 6.7% in this period will make India the third largest economy in the world and lift per capita income to the upper middle income category by 2031. CRISIL also expects inflation to continue softening in the next financial year, driven by healthy agriculture output and stable oil and commodity prices. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, what is CRISIL's revised economic growth forecast for India in financial year 25? 6.4%, 6.8%, 7.6% or 6.7%? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.